Hello and namaste. Hi, this is Coach Bala Saraswati. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 children overcome learning problems by coaching teachers and parents. Who teaches? Any teacher. Anybody wants to teach. You may not even have done your B.Ed or B.Ed special education or nothing. If you are educated enough, like a graduate, a postgraduate, because we have doctors, engineers, everybody in our platform who are not wanting to continue with their profession. They know the subject, and I teach them how to teach. So the how to teach part is my strength, and what to teach is all there everywhere, right? So how to connect with a child, how do you teach online, how to follow up with a parent, how to communicate to a parent, how to help a parent solve their problems with a child. All this is taught. So in today's video, I'm going to answer another question asked by, I think, a tutor. It says, give me some guidance regarding the online sessions I am having for grade 2 child having less attention span and reading delay. Some days she's very interested in focusing during the sessions, and some days she's not. Don't know the reason. So, grade 2 child having less attention. So, I always wonder why the attention is less. Is it like inborn or is it the environment? Now, when I ask a parent, parent always says, मेरे बच्चे को attention बहुत कम है मैडम, बिल्कुल नहीं बैठता है. So I ask, वीडियो गेम खेलता है? तो हाँ खेलता है. टीवी देखता है? हाँ देखता है. कितना देर टीवी देखता है? 1 मिनट 30 सेकंड? नहीं, वो तो आधा घंटा तक देखता है, 1 घंटा तक देखता है. अरे वाह, टीवी 1 घंटा तक देखता है तो अटेंशन में तो प्रॉब्लम है ही नहीं. अटेंशन में प्रॉब्लम का क्या मतलब है कि बच्चा कोई भी चीज़ में अटेंशन नहीं दे सकता है. ऐसे बच्चे भी होते हैं, टीवी हो, मोबाइल हो, गेम, कोई भी चीज़ ही cannot be with that for long. But children who can play video game for 2 hours, they have no problem in attention. It's just that the video game is so interesting, it is so challenging for the child that the child is engrossed in solving those puzzles one after the other. Game is nothing but a puzzle, no? One challenge and second challenge, third challenge. But in classroom or in online class or in your teaching method, if the challenge is not there and you are just repeating the same thing which child has already understood, even if not understood, you're just repeating in the same way, then the sessions are boring, right? And the minute the child loses that connect with you because it's become boring, the child is going to look here, there, look for something, get distracted, not interested. All this is going to happen. So to hold the child for 45 minutes, your teaching method has to be class. That means so many material you must have online. You have to shift from one activity to the other very fast. For example, you have decided to do reading for 20 minutes. 20 minutes reading is too much for the child. So what do? Do a 5-minute reading, switch over to another activity, like do a puzzle in between and come back. Then do another 8 to 7 minutes reading, then come back. So when you give breaks in your activity, there is change of activity. So child's attention can be retained with this change. I have done these experiments, that's why I'm saying this. And minute you see that the child is losing that attention, you immediately switch over to the next activity. In fact, what I do is, before the child loses the attention, I'm ready with the next activity. Because I tell him, abhi ye khatam jaldi karo, then we have to do this. We have to do drawing, then we are going to do this, then we are going to do this. So the child is all excited कि बाप रे मेरे से बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम करने वाले हैं. Because of that, the attention continues. So your method of teaching is very important. So if you don't know how to engage a child productively for 45 minutes, we'll teach you in our course. Come and join our platform. Complete your course. Attend my live sessions, which is free once you become a member of my community. And every question of yours will be answered related to how to teach, whether you're teaching in a classroom, in a remedial class, or in online. Got to make your classroom so interesting. Children will 100% pay attention. I think the same thing happens even in workshop. You as an adult go for a workshop and the speaker is not able to get your attention because the speaker is talking of something which you already know, or the speaker is talking in a very boring method, or the speaker is not having enough visuals to correlate it what the person is saying, or the speaker doesn't have that energy, your attention is also going to go low, right? You must have paid 3,000, 5,000 rupees to attend a workshop and they're like, oh God, this is so boring, my money is gone. The same thing happens for a child. So you have to have that power of teaching effectively. It's okay if you don't know, you may not be from the teaching background, but you can come and learn. We are here to teach you. I am in this field for last 34 years and my mission is to help teachers who don't know how to teach and earn. Not only teach, make money. Matlab pehle learn and then earn. A lot of my teachers are making good money. Become entrepreneurs. Thank you. Bye-bye.